Well, this is the video that I promised. I haven't quite finished, but it's as near as, yeah. So here I am, I'm coming in from the hall. The first thing that's on my right hand side is the units that used to be on the other side. Inside here I've got my mum's glassware that needs a polish, a crystal I should say. And that was a present for my wedding, 55 years ago. It's still intact, as are some of the little glasses. They're still intact from my wedding. That was my mum's rose bowl. That was a gift I got for my 70th birthday, which was a while ago now. Candles, that's the leftover booze from Christmas, which I've not drunk because I'm not a drinker, as you know. If you wonder where I've put my oddballs, they are in the bottom of the cupboard, but they're all tidy. Tidy, tidy. There's kind of no oddballs on view. Oh, and I've shut me. I've got a little bag there that I bought a while ago, which I thought was so pretty. I can't use it, it's a bit small for anything else but a cell phone, but I put it there. Inside this cupboard is the collection of green wheat pottery, Denby green wheat pottery that I collected before I got married. Must have thought I was going to marry a millionaire. And those are the poppy cups and saucers that belong to my mum. There's actually 6 of them. I think there's cups, saucers, plates, I think. This is my sewing cupboard. It's got all my sewing stuff in and all the bits and pieces, like those are all buttons and bits and pieces, and my sewing boxes are at the very, very bottom. So they're all held in there. Now these doors, I'm going to get another 3 doors to go on the bookcase when we get to the bookcase. Right, going round here now, you've got my fireplace that you see, with all the rubbish that goes along with the log fire. And my TV's now up there. Hello! Right, these are the bookcases we went to buy from Ikea, or whatever the heck else you want to call it. People who've asked about my elephants, they are up the top of there. Some are there. The blue box is Buster's ashes. He has to come with me everywhere I go. These are the Billy bookcases that where I'm going to have doors put on them. Doors to match those doors there, yeah? So that they'll be a little bit enclosed. I know that the top bit will be on show, but the bottom bit won't be. Right, let me get up off my chair. Ooh. Oh, I bought a new hearth rug while I was in Ikea. My lamp that my son hates is now there. Oh, I should say on top of the other cabinet are horses and dogs and everything that I brought with me. My poor plant is in need of a repot. It's looking very sad for itself. So, there's my little table. Outside, as you can see, we've had all the puddle got rid of. We've now got lovely paving out there. That's my lemon geranium plant, with a few bits and bobs there. Now we come on to where my sofa is. I'll step back a bit. With its resident on it. My lovely, lovely Rosie. So the sofa is now there under the window, blocking off the draft. Previously my computer was in that corner there, which I was in the draft, yeah. My elephants are up on the wall, as is my stag. If you can see the stag, he's on the wall. My table is a little bit messy at the moment. It's got some other sewing stuff there, and it's also got the latest book I'm reading, which is Richard Osman, The Last Devil to Die. If you haven't read Richard Osman, he's done a few books and they're all good. Backing up a bit, my recliner is now Trixie's bed. On the back of it is, when I move the messy shawl, just disturbed Trixie now, is the blanket that I take with me everywhere. That's my craft light. Family photos on the wall, including one of me when I used to do ballet That one is me and my brother. That one's me with my son with my two nieces. And that's my son when he was tiny. A bit bigger than that now. And that's my lovely Buster who has to go everywhere with me. And this is my corner now where I now sit and do my live videos. Right, backing up a bit, we won't look at the rubbish in the bin that I haven't altered. My Kallax has now got blue canvas covers to hide all my, you know, crafting paraphernalia, whatever you want to call it, yeah. I've got the clock, I've got some personal photos up there, plus everything else. So, my basket is still there, and another basket I haven't sorted out yet. I will do another video, hopefully later today, showing what I've been up to. I've been very, very busy lately. That's the table that I put up and down when I have my lunch on it. And the wool winder, of course. Anyway, I hope you like this little tour of my room, so I will speak to you very soon. Bye for now.